In 1665, Isaac Newton was a young scientist studying at Cambridge University in England. He was very interested in learning all about light and colors. On one bright sunny day, Newton darkened his room and made a hole in his window shutter, allowing just one beam of sunlight to enter the room. He then took a glass prism and placed it in the sunbeam. The result was a spectacular multicolored band of light, just like a rainbow. The multicolored band of light is called a color spectrum. There is a behavior of light, that how it passes from one medium to another, and the boundary between the materials. This boundary is known as planar boundary. In one medium it is glass, and in the other medium it's air. Now, when a ray of light strikes on the surface in one medium, it refracts to the other medium. Now, the angle between the angle of incidence and the normal in the first medium is formed, and similarly in the refracted medium another angle is formed. Now we see that the refracted medium is much greater than that of the incidence. And this means the angle of incidence is less than that of the refracted ones. Now it's denoted by theta b, the angle between the incident ray and the normal angle of incidence, and the angle between the refracted ray and the normal, that is the angle of refraction, is denoted by theta a. Now, since there's a boundary, therefore we can say that sine theta b by sine theta a equal to constant. This theta b and theta a are the followers of sine angle. Therefore, sine theta b by sine theta a equal to eta a by eta b. Hence, we can say that according to Snell's law, the ratio of the sines of the angles is equal to the inverse ratio of the refractive indices of materials, where the refractive index of the material is related to the how fast the light propagates through it. Now, let's have an experiment. Suppose there's a prism and there's a screen. Now, through the hole, white light passes, and as the white light strikes on the prism, so it splits into 7 colors. That is, number 1 indigo, number 2 violet, number 3 blue, number 4 green, number 5 yellow, number 6 orange, and number 7 red. And as this strikes on the screen, it forms a band of colors. Now, if we place a lens in front of the screen, then a combination of all the 7 colors forms. This is nothing but the prism was doing all separating them on an angle by the varying refractive index. Now we see that a rainbow is formed with the help of these 7 colors.